The Doolittle Brute Force Deckover trailer is the perfect heavy-duty trailer for hauling large equipment. The Brute Force HD Pro Series, available from Midco Sales, measures 32 feet long and has a 22,000 pound capacity. This gooseneck trailer has a 5-foot dovetail with ramps for easy loading. Here's some more information about this trailer line.
Our Deckovers come standard with a 12-inch I-beam neck and an adjustable 2 5/16 inch coupler with 2 set bolts and a safety pin. They also come with 2 spring-assisted drop leg jacks to help keep your load stable. Our Deckovers come standard with a spare tire and carrier and are equipped with a lockable sealed toolbox with gas shock assist. Another standard feature is our step-to-deck from either side. Doolittle Brute Forces come standard with 2 3/8 inch rub rail with stake pockets on 16-inch centers. This specific trailer is equipped with 3 spring-assisted 5-foot ramps. All Brute Force goosenecks come standard with a 10-foot torque tube to ensure flex control. Our ramps are easy to lift yet durable. We also have a self-cleaning dovetail design and 2 8 inch treated pine flooring that is double screwed every 4 feet.
Midco Sales is a Doolittle dealer. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about any of Doolittle's line of trailers.